Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to do a product review and this time it would be Artline pencils. So, where are the pencils? Here they are. So these are Artline pencils, Love Art 6 sketch pencils, and these come with shades like HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. And these are from Japan. I had ordered this from Amazon and you can also buy these as they are really affordable, and the link is given in the description box below. So let's review this and let's open this box. You will receive 2 boxes like this, and trust me guys, it is really affordable and these are best pencils for beginner artists. So you can see there are 6 pencils inside. Let's take them out. So let's keep this box aside and we can review these pencils now. First we will start with the lighter shade, which is HB. So here I am drawing a box and I am shading it lightly, and just to see that how it works with blending. So we are blending these boxes. So now we are blending this with a normal paintbrush and with blending stump. So let's blend with brush. So when I am blending with brush, I can see that the graphite is absorbed by the paper and it is looking really smooth. It is giving a really smooth texture on the paper. So we can use it anywhere while drawing portraits, or we can use this on the face area and the skin areas of the drawing. And now I am using the blending stump. So when I see I am getting a darker shade when I am using blending stump. So you can see the difference. The first box and the second box, the first which is done with the brush, you can see that it is looking a bit more softer than the previous one. The paper absorbs the graphite of the pencil, and with the blending stump it applies a bit more pressure than the brush to do. And now I am using a darker shade of the pencil and this is 10B. So I am doing the same thing with this. First we have taken the lighter shade of the pencil, which was HB, and now I am taking 10B pencil to do the same blending test with these. And again we will be using a brush and a blending stump. So let's see which works better. So we are almost done with the shading. So let's blend with the brush. And you have to keep in mind that when you are blending with the brush, keep that you are slowly moving the brush. As you can see that we don't need to apply more pressure on this. We are just doing it really slowly. While we are blending with the blending stump, you can see that we are applying a bit more pressure than this and you are getting a darker shade. So I advise you, if you want a smooth effect in your drawings, then you can use the brush, and when you want a bit kind of textured effect, then you can use the blending stumps. And both of these techniques, means both of these tools, are used in various drawings and you can choose accordingly. I really like this box because you can see that it has a really cute puppy. So we are going to draw this really cute puppy with these pencils. So let's draw. So another reason why I love this is it has written I love art on the box. So why will I miss this? So I am also writing I love art in this sketch, and it's really cute. Tell me in the comment section below that how our quick sketch is looking. And you can see the 6 shades here: HB, 2B, 4B, 6B and 10B. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can also tag me on my Instagram ID. You can find in description box below, and I will be posting a lot of behind the scenes in my ID. So go and follow, and let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to never miss any video. Bye.